So, Jai Hind dosto, welcome back to my another video. This is not a vlog. Actually, right now I am in front of India Gate. So actually, I would like to share you my English journey. How did I start speaking English? Actually, bro, right now I am trying to speak English because nowadays English is most important in our country. If you want to visit all over the country, so English you need a English. So actually, bro, I was in the 10th class. So my friend and my teacher spoke me, Prince, without speaking you can't grow, you can't go in the graduation level. If you want to qualify best way, so you will have to speak English and you will have to learn. So that time I wasn't able to understand English is important. So that time I left classes. But when I joined the safety field, when I become a safety supervisor, right now I am safety engineer. Then by going the company, then I realized nowadays English is most important. If you want to grow in your life and as well as if you want to earn money, so you have a knowledge about English. Without English you can't go private field and as well as you can't visit all over the world. Then I started. Then I thought yes, English is most important and I have to learn. Then I joined, then I subscribed 3 channel. First I subscribed Sartaj classes. Then I subscribed Ajay Sir session. And then I watched many kind of video while learning English. First I watched simple sentence, then modal verbs, then tense, and then modal passive and tense passive. I learned by learning the English through the YouTube. Actually, I improved English through the YouTube. Then I thought, yes, I can speak English, I can speak English. But I have been trying for 2 years. Yes, I can speak English from now. But after learning the grammar, after completing the grammar, for rules is important because you are belong from India, so it's important. Without grammar you can't speak English because our native language is Hindi. So that time I realized, okay, so I was practicing, I attend many kind of conversation, so I was started speaking English. But I go in front of among people and in the market, so I wasn't being able to speak English. How to speak, how not to speak. Actually, I used to forget word meaning and rules, passive rule, tense rules, means grammar rules. I used to forget. But when I created one channel, English spoken blogs, and I started making a blogs. Yes, I have to improve English as well as I want to improve your English, so that because you are my friend, so in this purpose right now I am making vlogs. You can see many kind of person are going here there, but right now I am talking to you. So this is a skill of English and this is a power of English. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently, so first of all you should join any classes, and then you should practice more and more, and you should watch many kind of blogs video, and sing a song. You want to listen a song, and English movie you have to watch a daily basis, and daily word meaning, and you have to practice daily basis. Right now I have to practice in front of the many kind of persons. So this is my English journey, and if you want to improve English, so you can improve while watching this video. And as well as every day I will make a blogs, because when I will make a blog, so then I can realize, then I can think, just I can remove hesitation. So friends, I will meet you another video. Jai Hind with new information. So Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, bye bye, goodbye.